This unique log cabin is listed for sale. Step back in time in this one of a kind property with a cozy living room, two bedrooms, two bathrooms, and a beautiful pond and stream on the property. There is also a charming old barn and several storage outbuildings. The property needs some finishing work, but it's perfect for a vacation home. Owners are selling as is. Schedule a showing to see this special property. Please check out video description for more details. Thank you for watching.